Are you wondering where to place your automated garbage cart during the winter? Carts should be placed within the area cleared for your driveway or at the edge of your property, but should not be in the way for effective snow clearing operations. During snow events, place your cart behind the curb rather than in front of the curb. Carts must be within 10 feet of the truck to be picked up and should not be near snowbanks or items that will stop the arm from lifting the cart. During the winter especially, it's important to sign up for collection alerts at curbitstjohns.ca.